Okay folks, down the rabbit hole we go again. Here we go in Suno AI. We're going to create another amazing piece of artwork, I'm going to say. If you haven't done anything with Suno before, this is your first time. It is a digital composition platform, a tool for you to create some music, go wild, go crazy. And today, in today's video, we're going to go through all the meta tags and vocal expressions. We're going to plug it all into Suno and see what Suno comes up with. So without any further ado, let's go. All right, so here is the Suno platform and we're logged into our account. We've got some credits over here. Let's go to the create button over here. And now in Suno, you go and write in all your prompts up here, and this is your style of music. So today we're going to write a song about, let's go and say, write us a song about doing the laundry. I like doing the laundry, love it. So we're going to go and get Suno to write us a note that says doing the laundry, performing the chore of laundry. That doesn't actually quite work for me. Let's go and write a full song. Here it is, doing the laundry. Now in Suno you can write your own lyrics, or you can ask Suno to write the lyrics for you. Just write a prompt of what it's all about. And today we're doing the laundry. We love doing laundry, don't we? So let's let Suno create that. Here we go, doing the laundry. I won't think about those other girls. I won't think about those other girls. Running through a cornfield. What is this, Suno? Okay, let's go to the other one. My jeans are in the wash, still getting rid of that old girl boss. Okay, that's what it's gonna be with Suno. So there's all our lyrics. Also in our creative panel over here, we've got the lyrics down. We're gonna add the style of music. Let's say we want it to be house, because it's housework, house and disco. Those two should go hand in hand. Okay, so there's our song. Let's see what Suno does on our first version. Okay, that took roughly about 20 seconds for Suno to create 2 variations of doing the laundry. World premiere, version 1.
My jeans are in the wash, still getting rid of that old girl boss. I sit and think about all I've lost. I keep trying to break my own heart. I put my face on the bathroom floor and beg my brain for anything more. Last night was all deep blues and pinks. God, please don't let me think. At least the world's still turning, and at least my new love is a good slow burning. I keep running into old friends and screaming into new beds. So tell me about everything and tell me nothing at once. You only miss me when you're drunk, trying to wash myself clean of you. Trying to love someone brand new.
Oh my God, that is amazing. That is doing the laundry dance version. Now it does have some romantic tinge to it. I don't know where Suno gets its emotions from, but that's that version. Version 1, let's move on to version 2. Seems pretty similar, slight variation, clicking play. Here we go, world premiere.
My jeans are in the wash, still getting rid of that old girl boss. I sit and think about all I've lost. I keep trying to break my own heart. I put my face on the bathroom floor and beg my brain for anything more. Last night was all deep blues and pinks. God, please don't let me think. At least the world's still turning, and at least my new love is a good slow burning. I keep running into old friends and screaming into new
Okay, there it is. There's variation 2 of doing the laundry in a house disco style format. Now today, as I promised, we're going to add some more tags. I'm going to show do the full showcase of tags, meta tags in Suno. So I've already got those lined up. I'm just going to quickly jump across to my notepad, Apple C. So I'm going to jump up into here. So with these tags, you can go and adjust your song. So there's an intro. So it says opening section sets the song mood. Then there's the verse. We've already got a verse. There could be a pre-chorus as well, which builds the tension before the chorus. Then there's a chorus, which is the main hook. There's a post-chorus. Didn't realize you could do a post-chorus as well. Follows the chorus, reinforcing the theme. So maybe we can add that. There is a bridge where it's a contrasting section. A breakdown, take the music out or strip the music down. There's an instrumental, of course, and then there's a drop. Now we could put in a big drop in there. There's a build-up, the hook, which is the most memorable part of the song, and a refrain, which is the repeating phrase different from the chords. And then there's an outro. So let's go and use some of those sections. We've already got a verse here. So we're going to go and add the intro. So Apple X and put the intro in here. Apple V, we're just restructuring our song currently. So the intro can be, let's say it's going to be, yeah. Just gonna put it down as a, yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so that's our intro. Very simple. We've already got a verse, so let's go get rid of that. We're gonna put in a pre-chorus. So here comes the pre-chorus. I didn't even copy it. Pre-chorus and a chorus, and then a post-chorus. Apple C. Jumping it into here. So there's a pre-chorus. I need to clean my jeans. If you know what I mean. Okay, that's our pre-chorus. Then there's the chorus, which is, I think it's down to here. I keep running into all friends. No, chorus is down here. There we go. Apple C. Okay, so we've got the chorus, which is what we want here. It's the main hook. Did we already use that part? I think. Notice that it does leave a gap between the meta tags. Okay, and there's a post-chorus. So what could the post-chorus be about? Let's go da da dum da la la. Dum da. Okay, so now we've got verse 2. Let's go and copy our pre-chorus and our chorus and our post-chorus. Apple C. After verse 2, Apple V. What else we got up here? We've also got the bridge. Okay, let's go and grab the bridge and then a breakdown. Bridge breakdown. Apple X. We want to put that after verse 2 chorus here. Apple V. So there's a bridge. And what do we want to say in a bridge? You know, I need to clean the stains left on my jeans into the washing machine. Oh. Okay, that's the bridge. Then there's a breakdown, which is going to be the instrumental, which is oh yeah, oh yeah. That's our breakdown. Then there's a verse 3. I don't think we'll do a verse 3. Let's use that text as our breakdown there. Okay, so what else do we have left up top here for all our song structure? We've got the drop, instrumental, and build up. Okay, so let's do a build up, then a drop. So let's go and X those. and a hook Apple X, and drop those after the bridge, after the breakdown. Apple V. So maybe we can put the drop up here. So drop is DRP. Oops, wrong buttons. We want those ones. I wonder if it's imperative to use a capital. There's your drop. Then we want to build up. Into a hook, which will be a synth hook. Back into our chorus. And then I think it says outro right at the back of our notes. There it is, there's a refrain and then there's an outro. So let's go and delete those and we'll put outro right at the end. Outro. Okay, that's our song structured. Sticking with the same theme. I'm very excited to hear this. Sticking with the same theme, let's go and create our version 2 of Doing the Laundry, which we're going to type in version 2, create. Okay, that took a much more quicker time for Suno to do that, probably roughly about 10 seconds. Here we go with version 1, variation 1 of Doing the Laundry version 2, world premiere. There's the intro.
Oh, yeah. My jeans are in the wash, still getting rid of that old girl boss. I sit and think about all I've lost. I keep trying to break my own heart.
Chorus.
I need to clean my jeans, if you know what I mean.
Chorus.
Trying to wash myself clean of you. Trying to love someone brand new. Da-da-da-da.
Post chorus.
I put my face on the bathroom floor.
Alright, verse 2.
And beg my brain for anything more. Last night was all deep blues and pinks. God, please don't let me think. I need to clean my jeans.
Yeah, Suno.
You know what
Bring
I
it.
mean. Trying to wash myself clean of you. Trying to love someone brand new.
That's a different chorus. Bridge, here we go.
You know I need to clean the stains left on my jeans into the washing machine.
That's phenomenal. Alright, we're coming up to the breakdown. Here's the breakdown. 5,
I keep running into old friends and screaming into new beds. So tell me about everything and tell me nothing at
Build up.
once. You only miss me when you're drunk.
there's the synth hook. This is awesome. Bring back the chorus. structure in Suno. OMG. Did you hear all that? That's all that song structure that I put into the whole thing. It was the intro, the verse, the pre-chorus, the chorus, the bridge, the post-chorus, the drop. All of those into Suno as song structure tags helps you build your song and allow Suno to go, there's something here that I can do. And it grows it and builds it. And wow, that is a pretty phenomenal effort there, Suno. I'm going to give you a big thumbs up. So on the song, there we go, the thumbs up is on Suno. All right, we're moving on to variation 2 for exactly the same song. Here we go. Are you excited? I'm super excited.
Yeah.
There you go. Wow.
My jeans are in the wash, still getting rid of that old girl boss. I sit and think about all I've lost. I keep trying to break my own heart. I need to clean my jeans, if you know what I mean.
Chorus, bring it, bring it, bring it.
Trying to wash myself clean of you, trying to love someone brand new.
Post-chorus.
I put my face on the bathroom floor and beg my brain for anything more. Last night was all the blues and pinks. God, please don't let me think. I need to clean my jeans,
Pre-chorus.
if you know what
Build up.
I mean. Trying to wash myself clean of you, trying to love someone brand new.
Post-chorus.
Da-da-dum, da. La-dum, da. You
Bridge.
know I need to clean the stains left on my jeans into the washing machine.
Whoa.
Keep running into old friends, screaming into new beds. So tell me about everything and tell me nothing at
Here we go with the
once.
build-up.
You only miss me when you're drunk.
Here comes this.
Trying to wash myself clean of you, trying to love someone brand new.
This is phenomenal.
Trying to wash myself clean of you, trying to love someone brand new.
Oh wow, did you hear that? That is phenomenal. We gave Suno all the strong structure, all the song structure of verse, intro, pre-chorus, chorus, and it made the entire song follow our lead. That is unbelievable. What I'm going to do is I'm going to post in the description all those tags that you need to create your song like that. Go and cut and copy and post them into your Suno song and see what you come up with. I'd love to hear what you come up with, because this machine, this tool, is just phenomenal. I would love to hear what you do. I'm going to keep going on this rabbit hole, and I will see you in the next video.